Hello, friend. Do you need AI API for free?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Kimi AI. Looking for an AI API key for your projects? These 5 platforms are quietly giving away serious AI power for free. Number 1. Google AI Studio. This provides free API key access primarily to its Gemini family of LLMs, including Gemini 3.6 Flash, Gemini 3.1 Flash, Gemini 2.5 Flash, and Gemini 2.5 Pro. Completely free, no card. And the best part is, it provides a 100-bit and 1 million token context window, the biggest free window anywhere. You can feed huge documents, whole books, and massive code bases at 15 requests per minute and 100 to 1,000 requests a day, depending on the model. At number 2 comes something that provides very fast token generation, and that is Grok. It uses LPU chips, push Llama 3370B, at 300 to 1,000 tokens per second. That's up to 10x faster than a normal GPU. Free tier gives you 30 requests per minute and roughly 14,400 requests a day. It provides you DeepSeek R1.3 variants with 671B base model with 70B at a time, giving it elite capability at coding and multi-step reasoning. Okay, what if you want to have one key and model selection work is shifted to provider? Here comes OpenRouter. One key, 28 plus free models. It provides you with NVIDIA NIM 3 Ultra, 550 billion MoE model that has open frontier-level reasoning, complex orchestrations, and massive 1M token context. Aslo a lot of other models, including Poolside, Laguna M1, with 376B parameters, built specifically for heavy-duty software engineering, repository planning, and agent workflows. OpenRouter provide you 20 RPM. What if you are tired of that daily or monthly limit? Go with NVIDIA NIM. The free tier requires no credit card and enforces a generous rate limit of around 40 RPM with no rigid daily or monthly dollar credit expiration caps. It provides you access to top-tier complex math, deep repository-level coding, Nemotron supermodel with 120 complex multi-agent setups, high-precision instruction following, and structured tool routing, and a lot of more. I know now your problem is that hell limit of requests per minute, right? But I have the solution. That is Cloudflare Workers AI. Cloudflare Workers AI takes a unique approach to its free tier. Instead of tracking individual API request counts, it provides a daily allowance of 10,000 free neurons per day to every account. No, you are thinking wrong. Cloudflare's per-minute capacity is massively more generous than almost every other provider. But the best part is not the completed yet. It provides you a model with, guess, 1 trillion mixture of expert model named Moonshot AI/Kimi K2.6 with elite coding capability with frontier-scale agentic code workflows, 262K context window, also Nemotron supermodel with 120 complex multi-agent setups, high-precision instruction following, and structured tool routing, and a lot of more. Please subscribe, share, and comment your thought and the topic for next video.